Editing video and creating video clips is now easier than ever. And today I'm going to show you a little known AI that will allow you to edit your video super fast using just a text-based editor. It also selects the B-roll automatically. It allows you to add captions and formats the look and aspect of those captions with just a few clicks. So keep watching until the end of this video so you can see a full demonstration. Hi, my name is Gabrielle, and I earn passive income from home. And in my channel, I show you tools that will allow you to work faster and earn money passively. If you're interested in doing video editing without any knowledge about professional video edition, the tool that I'm showing you today will be very useful. So let's jump right into it. This is Gemoo, and it transforms any video into viral-worthy clips. You can bring in a long-form video and cut it up into clips, but that's not the only thing it does. You can get started for free. I'm going to log in. This is what you see once you are logged in. And it has two options, the AI Smart Editor, which does text-based trimming, auto-add B-roll and animated subtitles, or the AI Clip Maker. So if you want to bring a video and turn it into clips, you would use this. And there's a sample video where you can see some of the capabilities. I am going to bring in my own video. Let's start with the AI Smart Editor. I am selecting my own video. This is a 4-minute video that I want to edit. You select the language. In my case, it would be English US, and then you press Generate Now. It added some captions automatically, but you can change them. There are several ready-made options. I'm going to select this one, and I'm adding some B-roll automatically. I am also selecting AI Effect to try it out, which are some effects that it does during transitions. And with the option AI Boost, it will create a hook, the description of the video, and the hashtags that would work best with this video. And it could be for all of them or specifically for each one of them. I activated the hook title, the description, and the hashtags, and Gemoo already took care of that for me. It created the title, description, and hashtags just by activating this, and it didn't take any time. Once we've done all these initial steps, we choose Edit More. And now Gemoo is showing me the transcription of my video, where I can work further on the video editing. You can select and just delete as if you were in any text editor. And if I play the video, editing video and creating video clips is now easier than ever. And for example, here in easier than ever, I want it to separate the easier than ever from the and today. So all I have to do is select this and choose split into new line. And it will send that into a different line. And for example, if I don't want this, you just select it and choose delete split into a new line. And the parts that are orange are parts where it added some B-roll. So every time you select the text, you can choose whether you want to add a word, delete the word that's there, send it into a new line for the captions, or introduce line breaks like I showed you. We can also add effects. For example, here, if I want an effect in this part of the video, I can choose if I want to do like a boom, and this is what I got. Select the format of those captions. You can add all kinds of effects. I recommend you try each one of these out. For example, if I select here and I choose vintage, this is the AI effect that it gives me. Editing video and creating video clips is now easy. So that's pretty cool. You can also add sound effects. I added a boom effect here, so I can add a sound effect, like an explosion. I'm going to select that, and you can control the volume of the effect, and you can also remove it if you're not happy with it. Let's try it out. You can select the format of those captions. So this is how you edit here. If you want to change the subtitle style and make it your own, you can still change it. We can change that right here. You can change even the position of the text. You can send it higher or lower. Like I want it right here. You can increase the font size. You can change the color of the text, and you can choose up to 3 colors. I'm going to choose a different color. For the second option, you can enable emojis so that it introduces emojis by itself. You can animate those emojis. You can choose the emoji size, and you can change the fonts too. We've got a few options of fonts here. You can change the options of fonts, and you can do light or regular. You can add a shadow. And I definitely want to add a shadow because it doesn't stand out. See, that's much better. I like that way more. You can add a stroke to the outside of your text. You can choose it to be all uppercase. And you can even select how many words you are displaying every time there is a text. And of course, that requires Gemoo to rearrange the way the text is displayed. So it reloaded and it can animate those words. You can save it as a template so that you never have to do all these settings again. And I'm absolutely going to do that. So next time that I need that, for example, if I go to this option, I can go to custom and select my own. If you select AI effect, that introduces a certain effect when the video starts. But if you don't like any of the effects that Gemoo chose for you, you can remove all of the effects. And here is the AI boost that we saw before, where you can ask Gemoo to generate this information for you automatically. This information changes sometimes from platform to platforms. So if you want it for YouTube Shorts, it would give you different information. There are certain limitations when it comes to each platform. There's like a character limit. And you can edit it. For example, I didn't get my name right here, so I can just go in and change that. And if you don't like the B-roll that it added for you, you can remove it. It automatically selects B-roll, so sometimes it's not very accurate, and you can add your own B-roll. If you want to add your own B-roll, you select the text and then choose this option, B-roll, and it can create an AI image and it will animate that AI image. And see, it's generating the image for me, and that is what it came up with. And I earn passive income from I didn't have to go and search for any B-roll or generate the image on Midjourney and then bring it here or create it on ChatGPT. No, it does it for you right here on Gemoo. If you don't like the image that it generates, you can just scroll down here and say remove from selection and then try again. So it's generating a new image for me, and this is what it created. And I really like the image, but it's got a bit of an AI hallucination. That's fine, we can try again. Most of the time it gets it right, but you know how AI is sometimes. You can also choose B-roll that is already available if you want to select your own and not leave it up to AI. And here is some free stock that you can use. For example, I can use this and say apply. And the image is a little bit of a different size from my video, so I can fix that. And let's see how it turned out. And I earn passive income from home. So that's a static image. If you want a video, then you select to search other B-rolls, and it can generate B-rolls indicating here a certain text. You can upload your own B-roll also. You can search for certain web images, which honestly I don't recommend because we don't know if they have copyright. But the free ones are really good, and you can select whether you want a video or an image. This time I'm going to select the video, and it is showing me some free video stock. You can preview it when you select it. I can also select here, you can choose here, and it has many more. So just choose the one that you like the best. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to press apply. These videos come from Pexels, and here it is. You can adjust it a little bit. Sometimes they're not the same size. Passive income from home. So editing a video becomes way easier thanks to Gemoo. I'm going to return to the dashboard to show you now the clipping features. So let's try the AI clip maker this time. Here you also select your video, press generate now, and it did it really fast, probably because I already had uploaded this video before. Choose the caption templates that we have available, the language, and the preferred short length. You can leave it automatic, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. This is great for repurposing your long-form videos with just a few clicks. If you choose replace video, it means you didn't like this video and want to try again, but I'm happy with it. And I'm going to select 30 seconds and generate AI shorts. And it is now working on creating my shorts. It took a few minutes to go through my video. And for this 4-minute video, it produced these 3 clips. You can choose to edit each one of them or just download them. If you click on them, it lets you preview them. I am going to edit this one. You can change all the options. You can add B-roll. You can change the subtitle style. I like my own subtitle style, so that's the one I'm going to select. You can add AI effects. For example, it already has one that it created for me. So the AI selected some emojis and you can change them or remove them. It selected the line breaks, which you can modify too. You can delete the ones that are there or add new ones. You can select here and choose split into a new line. You can add an emoji and everything else that I showed you with the long form video that I was editing at the beginning of this video. It kept the format of my video. It didn't fill out the new vertical format. You can go here and you can choose fit and then just adjust it. You can also download the captions. so that you have the full transcript of your video. And you can hide or show the captions. Once you're ready, you choose export and it will generate the final file. I'm going back to the dashboard. And if at any time you want to continue working on your project, all you have to do is select it here and it shows me those 3 clips again, so I can edit the next one. And again, you can select the correct fit, frame it correctly. And if there are some parts of your clip that you don't like, you can edit it just like this. I want to change this emoji. I'm going to add a heart instead of a number. Here, instead of clicks, I'm going to do a mouse. If you don't like the effect, you can remove it. You can do mild zoom in effect here. Very few clicks, you can achieve your Gemoo has a very easy to use and very simple interface to work quickly on your videos. In regards to pricing, they have a 50% offer right now. But if you want the best pricing, use the link in the description and the coupon that I am offering for you. Gemoo has been generous enough to sponsor this video and to provide a special discount for you. So thank you, Gemoo, for sponsoring this video. And these are the features that you get with each one of the plans. When you try it for free, you get 3 videos per month. I recommend that you try it for free, see how you feel about it. But if you're ready, you can take the starter plan and start working on the videos. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the full comparison of each one of the plans and some frequently asked questions. If you go to the homepage of Gemoo, you'll find that there are many other tools that you can use. When you select Explore All Tools, it takes you to this screen where you can check out everything that is available. I recommend that you come here to take a look and see there's other things like a free screenshot editor, image URL generator, website screenshot, mockup generator, screenshot uploader, and so much more, like an AI background remover, image generator, wallpaper generator, anime generator. There's so much here, and they list them all right here. It is a lot of tools, so check them out and see if some of these are useful for you. I especially like this one, the Facebook video downloader. There's also a thumbnail generator for Instagram, YouTube to MP3 converter, YouTube video downloader, and also YouTube keyword research. And these are the benefits of trying out Gemoo. So yeah, Gemoo is a really useful tool if you want to check it out. I especially like how with just a few clicks, I can add the B-roll without having to go through tons and tons of options. And I like how it animates AI generated images for B-roll without me having to do it manually. I've tried many video editing tools. Recently, I made a video about one that is one of my favorites called Descript. You can check it out here. But what I like about Gemoo is that it is completely straightforward, and with very few clicks, you can achieve your desired result. You can try it out for free. And if you want to get the best pricing, please use the link in the description and the code I place here on the screen. In my channel, I love sharing these kind of ideas that will help you become a content creator, whether it is as an Amazon KDP author or someone that creates videos online, to earn passive income from home so that you have time to enjoy your family. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my next video.